This is the front side of Samleshwari temple, and you see the eviction process very expeditiously going on. The buildings of the Pujako also been broken. You see, this is the area. This is the main square. This area completely been vacated. This area vacated. Let I introduce something about the Gosala, Sri Krishna Gosala. This is the Sri Krishna Gosala, established in the year of 1896. More than 125 years. Let's go inside the Gosalas. This is the Gosala having 150 to 300 numbers of cows, and you see the expenditures and details they have mentioned here. This is in the Gosala, and you see this is only Gosala in the Sambalpur city, having capacities of this much cows and ox, you know that. And now the all cow put inside their set. You see, they are putting inside their set, and this area become vacated. This area become vacated, and by evening hour they will allowed to come to these corridors. You see this, and evening times it will looking very remarkable, very marvelous, very attractive when the all cows and ox they come to these corridors. And let I tell you one thing, due to this Samleshwari Yojana, this Gosala also been going to be evicted, and from 15 they have got notice, and these buildings will be called evicted. The building will be demolished by the administration from 15th of January, and the new Gosalas already been constructed in the Potapalli of the backside, the bank of river Mahanadi, and lot of devotees they have donated with wholeheartedly for the constructions of new Gosala that has been constructed. Let I show you the building. This is the new buildings which already been constructed, namely Sri Krishna Gosala, Potapalli, Sambalpur. You see, these are the images, and the Gosala authorities they are inviting the aid. If the people wants, they can contribute, and the devotees can contribute and take the charge of the cow who are inside the Gosalas. And the most important thing is that in 125 years, the Gosala is continuously giving service for the Gomatas, and it is really remarkable. Some devotees who have sacrificed and devoted their life for the welfare and development of the Gomatas. Now we have met with one worker, a worker, dedicated worker, and she is working in this Gosala since last 50 years. अच्छा, आप बताइए आपका नाम क्या है?
महादेव महाकुड़।
महादेव महाकुड़। आप यहाँ से क्या करते हैं? आप यहाँ क्या काम करते हैं?
अरे बुआ को बोलती नहीं साल भरे गला ऑफिस ही मत टेंशन बाबू लोग।
अच्छा अच्छा, कितना साल हो गया आप यहाँ पर काम करते हो?
मतलब 50 बरस हो गया।
अच्छा,
काम करवा।
अच्छा, यहाँ पर कितना है गाय?
250
यानी 250 गाय है ना?
हाँ,
तो इन लोग कहाँ से लाते हैं? कहाँ से आते हैं इन लोग सब?
गाय?
हाँ,
गाय सब हमारी नोटा बेटा।
ये कहाँ से?
मारवाड़ी पंचायती माने को।
कौन लाता है इसको? ये गाय को कौन लाता है?
गाय?
हाँ।
हमारे यही ना खाऊं, खाना पीना सब यही ना हो।
क्या अनसिता के क्या अनसन?
हमारी गाय माने सब तार छुआ बड़ी गयो।
अच्छा, यानी the thing is that according to her, she stated that these cows were grown up in these Gosalas by one after one, and she has been working here. अच्छा, आपको तनख्वाह कितना मिलता है?
4.5
महीना में? महीना में। अच्छा, तो आपको यहाँ पर जो काम करते हैं वो कैसा लगता है? आप गौ माता के साथ काम करते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगता है?
बुआ काम करते ना, बुआ काम की तो बाबू लोग मत बोले बहुत दिन काम करो, बुढ़ी माँ ऑफिस के सफा सुथर कर ना, सबके आयला बोला दे मेरा झाड़ू वाड़ू धोआ दी ऑफिस पर मेरा ऑफिस झाड़ू पहुँचा
तो आपको यहाँ पर जो काम करते हैं वो कैसा लगता है?
हमको बढ़िया लगा गौ माता सेवा
गौ माता सेवा में आपको अच्छा लगता है?
हाँ
यानी गौ माता सेवा करने से क्या होता है?
गौ माता अमर मुक्ति पाऊँ जाता आशीर्वाद पाऊँ गौ माता के आशीर्वाद पाऊँ
यानी आप गौ माता का सेवा करते हैं तो फिर आपको यही है कि आप मुक्ति पाएंगे।
हाँ मुक्ति पाएंगे।
अच्छा, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको। We have now discussed that one old woman, she is working in this particular Gosala since last 50 years, and it is very sad to say that from 15 of this January, this Gosala going to be evicted, going to be demolished by the administrations under the Samlay project, and they have been already been noticed accordingly. You see this Gosala having some land, but these are all lands belongs to Samleshwari temple areas, and most of area already been encroached by the people having no right title interest, only they are having positions. You see this. And accordingly, in spite of that, our government, by considering all the fact and circumstances before demolitions, given adequate compensation to the persons who are having ROR in their favor, and they have already been allotted land in outside and backside of Mahanadi Chaurpur area. So we urge the government, such type of Yojana, Samlay Yojana is highly been appreciable, but prior to that, the peoples, those who are evicted from their place, they must be properly been adequate compensation be given, and they must be settled in the proper locations for the service, and the government is duty bound to do all this after proper settlement of the peoples who have lose their land for this particular Samlay Yojana project. On behalf of Mahanadi Times Media Productions, once again we urge the district administrations, newly appointed collector Mr. Parida, to look into the matter and expedite the Samlay Yojana construction activity, eviction activities, by giving proper compensations and proper settlement to the persons who lost their Bhidamati for the Samlay Yojana. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.